YPG fighter Reece Harding, originally from Australia with pseudonym Bagok Sarhat, lost his life on 27 June 2015.
Hi, my name is Reece Harding. I'm from the Gold Coast, Australia. I volunteered to join the YPG to fight against Daesh. I believe the Western world is not doing enough to help. The Kurdish people are lovely people, and I've never met such a nice group of people. If anything happens to me, parents, I love you. Brother, I love you. And Isabel, I love you.
Reece Harding is the second Australian to lose his life fighting alongside the YPG against ISIS gangs. The first Australian was Ashley Kent Johnston, who was subsequently the first foreign YPG fighter to lose his life in the battle against ISIS. Harding, born in 1991, joined the YPG ranks on the 4th of May 2015 and received the pseudonym of his friend Ashley Kent Johnston. In an official statement, the People's Protection Unit's YPG described Harding as an intelligent and wise comrade with a full sense of responsibility and sensitivity towards his friends, and a moral boosting figure in the fight through his courage. It added that Harding would do anything, personal or military, to defend his friends, and that he became a president person among his friends in a short time. Harding took part in the second stage of the Operation Rubar Kamishlo that was launched on 6th of May, and in the liberation of many areas achieved in the scope of the operation. The YPG revealed that Reece Harding lost his life on 27 June as a result of a mine explosion in the operation to liberate Misherva, a village near Ain Issa. The YPG noted that the YPG and YPJ fighters are deeply saddened by the loss of a cheerful friend. The YPG offered condolences to the family of Reece Harding and vowed to remain loyal to the hopes and struggle of Harding and to carry the struggle to a victorious end.